welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Today we are going to talk about hydroponic brinjal growing. Yes, brinjal can be grown hydroponically with a various method. You can use media bed, Dutch bucket, you can use Kratky or the deep water culture, or even you can use the DFT to some extent. I am going to plant brinjal into different system to see which is the best for it. Brinjal can be grown very easily from the seed, but to cut down the time and to speed up my plantation, I have planted the brinjal ready-made from the outside. You can get it from any nursery. I have got it from my friend and I have borrowed two variety of brinjal plants. One is a long and second one is the big round one. In this video I am going to show you how to treat a nursery bought plant and plant it into the hydroponic system. So to know all about this, stay connected to video, don't go away. Let's start the video. These are few nursery brought brinjal plants. Now we are planning to sow it into the hydroponic system. So first we will clear it. So for that we will dip it into water for few seconds and shake it such that all the soil sticking to it is removed. So your roots should be clear like white, and whatever these debris are there, you should remove that all. So once it is fully clean, then we will treat it with the root treatment solution, and then we will let it dry for couple of minutes so that root treatment solution will be absorbed by the roots, and then we will plant into our system. Watch the video till the end, and if you find this video interesting and useful, then give me a like. Also share it with the like-minded people. Express your view in a comment box and feel free to give any suggestions to improve. Let's watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Now we are planting this plant into our grow bed. So first we will space it equally. Place the plant, and then we will simply sow this plant. We'll dig a hole, ensure that all the roots goes into the coco pit, and gently push the plant into it. So after planting, we will water them. So the another line we are putting in between, zigzag pattern, so it will get the maximum space for growing. See, this is 1 foot by 1 foot, and across we have kept around 10 inches. So after sowing, this is like this is ready for growing. Now we need to water this. So now we are watering those plants. So we need to ensure that water goes in sufficient amount that all the plant will root to the coco pit. So now we are planting into our media buckets. So these are the clay ball media, and we'll simply make the space, put the plant, and cover with the balls. So these are the 2 plants per bucket we are planting. Same way we will plant another buckets like this only. So now we are watering this. So we are ensuring that all the clay balls get sufficient water, that root will settle down. Now we are going to plant this for our deep water culture buckets. For that we have a net cups. We just pass the roots through the net cup holes and fill this net cup with the help of these clay balls. So we'll pour this net balls all around the plants, so it will stay into vertical position. So this is the done. planting is done, and then once the planting is done, we'll put it into deep water culture bucket. See, it's very simple. It's done. You can see this. You can see the roots below. These are balls and this is the plant. And once we do, we'll put it into the deep water culture bucket. That's all. These are the eggplant or aubergine plants which we have planted 15 days back into this media bed. This is the coco peat media bed, and now these plants are established and started growing. Now you can see these plants are planted into the media bucket. These are the same age plant, but you can see that growth is better than that growing bed. So these are the clay balls which we have planted. You can see that those plants are also grown vigorously. And here are our deep water culture plants. The same aubergine or eggplants into deep water culture or Kratky method. And you can see that plant has grown very vigorously. Within 15-20 days it has grown very high. You can see the root system also. This system is also developed pretty well. The roots are in a mesh and it's white in color. So we'll give you update further on this in the future videos.